Hello everyone, welcome back. The world is changing faster than ever before. Technology, artificial intelligence, and global connectivity are rewriting the rules of work and money. Your parents' definition of a good job may no longer exist in 10 years. And the degree that once guaranteed success now only gives you a starting point. So the big question is, what's next? What will jobs look like? How will people make money? And what do we need to do to survive and succeed in this new era? Let's break it all down, step by step. In the 1990s, computer skills were optional. In the 2000s, internet knowledge was a plus. But today, if you don't understand technology, you're already behind. Every company, from startups to global giants, needs people who can use digital tools, manage online data, create content, or operate AI software. Even traditional professions like doctors, teachers, and lawyers now rely on technology every single day. So digital skills are not just an advantage anymore, they're a currency. The more tools you master, the higher your value in the market. Example, someone who knows how to use ChatGPT, Canva, and Excel automation can replace hours of manual work. That's why they get paid more, not because they work harder, but because they work smarter. Automation is not the future, it's the present. Machines are already replacing humans in factories, customer service, and even offices. But here's the truth, automation doesn't destroy all jobs, it just destroys boring jobs. When one kind of job disappears, another one is created. For example, robots replaced factory workers, but also created new jobs for robot engineers, maintenance experts, and AI programmers. So the real skill of the future is adaptability, learning new things fast, because every few years the game will change again. Thanks to the internet, work is no longer tied to one location. You can be sitting in Lahore or Karachi and working for a company in London or New York. All you need is skill, not a visa. This borderless work has already started. Remote designers, video editors, and programmers are getting paid in dollars from home. It's called the global freelance economy, and it's growing every day. So the office of the future is not a building, it's your laptop, and your boss could be in any time zone in the world. Today, anyone with a phone can become a creator. You don't need a company to make money, that you can build your own audience. YouTubers, educators, gamers, podcasters, they are all part of the creator economy, which is now worth over $100 billion. And it's not just entertainment. People are teaching skills, reviewing books, and even sharing life lessons online, and earning full-time incomes. The new formula is simple. Create value arrow, build trust arrow, earn income. Example, Iman teaching English grammar on YouTube from his living room now makes more money than many school teachers. That's the power of digital creation. AI is not coming for your job, it's coming to work with you. But the people who refuse to learn AI tools will lose to those who do. AI can analyze data, write code, create designs, and even assist with decision making, but it still needs human creativity and judgment. Think of AI as your assistant, not your enemy. The future worker is not competing with AI, he's leading it. The mindset is shifting. People don't just want stable jobs anymore, they want freedom. Financial independence means you don't depend on one salary. You have investments, side hustles, maybe a small online business. So even if one stream slows down, others keep you safe. In the 21st century, your real boss is your cash flow. The more sources you build, the stronger your future becomes. The world doesn't reward degrees anymore. It rewards skills. And skills expire fast. Every 3 to 5 years, you need to upgrade your knowledge. Online platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, and YouTube make it easier than ever. Lifelong learning is not a choice, it's survival, because knowledge is the only asset that never loses value. AI can calculate, robots can operate, but only humans can feel. Creativity, empathy, emotional intelligence. These are the skills that no machine can replace. Leaders, teachers, and creators who understand emotions will always stay ahead. So while everyone else is chasing technology, never forget your humanity. The future of work and money is not fixed. It's being built every day by people like you. Start small, learn one digital skill, use one AI tool, earn $1 online. That's how every big success story begins. Don't wait for perfect timing. The people winning today are not the smartest. They're just the ones who started early. So take control, keep learning, keep experimenting, because the future doesn't belong to those who wait, it belongs to those who build. Thanks for watching. If this video opened your mind or gave you new ideas, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Stay curious, stay creative, and always keep moving forward.